Hello, welcome to Flexy Cars, and I'll be giving you a very comprehensive tour of what this wonderful dealership has to offer. Flexy Cars is based in West London near Heathrow, so extremely accessible. And this tour is all about, what they have to offer to us as a dealership, starting from the fact that they've got this really wonderful forecourt where you can see nearer, 60 to 70 cars here on display. They've got some phenomenal prep facilities, which is where you've got the valeting bay, and they've got almost state-of-the-art photography studio there that perfectly photographs the vehicle, videos the vehicle, and gives you a 360 tour. And above all, they've got an office here that will handle all of your inquiries from finance, warranty, or if you've had any after service issues, that be mechanical, that be electrical, or that be anything to do with your warranties. Additionally, what you get here is a very personable, hands-on approach at Flexy Cars, which is all about looking after their customer and working with their customer. So from the point of you calling in or the vehicle being delivered to you or handling any after sales inquiries or queries to do with your warranties. So let's start with the store. I know this has been a very long intro because there's a lot to show and a lot to discuss here. We'll start off from the office. The great thing about our dealership is whether you come in as a customer and physically sit in as this customer to go through the process of purchasing a vehicle, or whether you are doing the whole purchase from the comfort of your sofa, you will get the exact same experience, the exact same peace of mind. One thing that you always get at Flexy Cars is all of their vehicles have had a health check done, or at the very minimum, it would have a 6 months MOT. And above all, they will give you a 3 months warranty should you have any issues. They've got their own in-house mechanics that are both mechanically and electrically trained, and they've got a body shop, and above all, they've got all of the facilities in-house, so you're not having to wait months on end or weeks on end for repairs to be carried out. This is for the office part. Let's get up to the prep bay. What is very critical is to have a vehicle photographed online. I mean, pretty much every customer that first sees a vehicle will inquire over the internet, so it's absolutely essential that you've got a good cameraman, a good camera, and a very good photo booth that will show the vehicle as it should, see it in real life. And I think there's no better way than to invest, some resources into a booth like this to give customers not only the ability to look at photographs, but to have a 360 views, and above all, to have a good YouTube account to display videos of these vehicles. So this is another very important aspect of the infrastructure at Flexy Cars. Let's move on to the next area. Now here we are at the preparation side of things of the Flexy Cars business. And here they've got 3 ramps. There's one on the left side. It is a 1-post ramp, and another 2-post ramps here behind me. There's another photo booth there to the right side. Russell over there is just lifting the Ford up on the ramp. It's critical that a used car is retailed well, prepped well, and above all, not released to a customer with a problem. Let's go and see the rest of the prep side of things. Now, this is the last and final phase of this video that I would like to show you. And here at Flexy, as part of their comprehensive setup, they've got pretty much everything going on, from refurbing the caliper from a vehicle that's been finished, from the prep side of it, where the colleague here is taking off some of the masking tape, and from one of our colleagues that is actually polishing one of the wheel arches. I mean, this vehicle here, right here, has been all modified and aesthetically improved here at Flexy Cars. I mean, this beautiful bull bar at the front, this bonnet grille right there, the extended wheel arches is just being made to look exactly as you would expect it from a retail point of view. And right here in this room, this is one of 2 body shop, painting booths that we've got. And currently we've got a front bumper and some alloys that are being painted. Now, right here, this is where our car customization practically happens. We've got a lovely chap here that is going to just, add a couple of touches to the interior of this vehicle. This is going to be a big reveal on our YouTube channel from where we started and where we will eventually end. And this van is being turned into a camper van. So another slight reveal, and that's another very critical part of the FlexiCars business where none of these things are being outsourced. All of these things are being all done in-house, meaning that we can give our customers ultimate priority.